The biggest change can come from the most unexpected individual. With the audience at your fingertips, all you need is a little push.
This is my moment. This is what it's all about. Relax, matey. You got this. Okay. Is this we're recording? I guess so. Hey, Zook!
Give me a minute.
Shake it off. Shake it off. Your hair is fine. Come on. This is our television debut.
Yeah, I'm here.
Are you guys ready?
Wait. Okay, Zook. Stand here, right here. Good. And I'll be at this corner. Just like how we practiced.
Gotcha.
All right. This is going to be awesome.
I'm going to start the recording now.
It's happening. Time to get famous.
Please state your name and introduce yourself briefly.
Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Hey-ya. The name's Mayday. I wield a guitar, and he is...
Zook.
And he plays the...
Drums.
Pshing! And together, we're Bunk Bed Junction. Woo! Hey, Zook. There sure has been quite a lot of electronic music in the city lately.
That's true, May.
But you know, this city still lacks a certain something, don't you think?
Absolutely, May.
Luckily for you guys, we have the perfect fix. Why don't you tell him, Zook?
Why, May? We're Bunk Bed Junction, and we're going to junka, in their bunka. No, wait, it's
That's right, Zook. We're gonna bunka, we're gonna junka, and we're gonna bam in your faces. We're bringing back rock. This long-forgotten art used to be the backbone of Vinyl City, you know? So be ready to listen to our super tasty riffs of...
Okay, cut. That's a good take.
Oh, that's it?
Yes, we got what we needed. Now please make your way to the audition stage. Just follow the arrows. Thank you.
No, thank you so much. That was mighty sweet.
Next!
How could you forget your line, Zook? It's bunka, then junka, then bam in your faces.
I can't help it. As soon as the camera started rolling, I was just... Wow, the lights were just so intense, man.
Oh, sorry about the crates. We haven't had time to move them yet. Just make your way around them, will ya?
Not a problem, sir. Don't screw this one up, okay? We have to look good in front of the world.
Yeah, I hear you. Maybe this time I'll...
Okay, shh. We're almost there. Remember, be nice to the judges.
Why, hello, you two.
Wow. Hello, Tatiana.
Right, and you are?
We're Bunk Bed Junction.
Bunk Bed Junction.
Yes, because you see, NSR needs more fans. So we're gonna build a new junction right into your highway so